Hi guys, I know some of you must have heard about this Esom arbitrage, Esom platform. Some of you must have heard about it and already joined, while some have heard about it and yet to join. Some are still contemplating, is this real or is it not real? So in this video, I'll be talking briefly about this, and before I proceed, please subscribe to this channel if you are visiting this channel for the very first time. Hit that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notification for subsequent updates from this channel. Do note, subscription is free. You don't pay any money to subscribe. It only enables you to get notified each and every single time I drop a video in this channel. Okay, so smash that subscribe button and subscribe. It's damn free. Okay guys, in this platform, what you simply do here is to deposit money and then do the needful in the platform, which I'm going to show you in this video. And you do this every single day, what I'm going to show you, and you cash out. Okay, you make profits and you cash out. But then before I proceed, please do note I'm not a financial advisor. You can do your own research. You do your own research because I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions. I have my own view of platforms and I make my videos based on my experiences or perceptions. So you also make sure you do your own research. Okay, so guys, in this platform, what you first do here is to get registered. You get registered by clicking the link in the description box of this video. That is a link tree. So once that link tree opens, you're going to see the very first link in that link tree. Click on it to get registered. I repeat, click the link in the description of this video. Once the link opens, click the first link in that page, okay, to get registered. So what you do right here now is to first of all recharge your accounts by clicking on recharge right here. So once you click on recharge, the next thing you want to do here is to input your amount, your recharge amount. Let's say, for example, I want to recharge $500. The minimum amount to recharge here is $10. Okay. So once you do that, this is a USDT TRC20 wallet address. So what you just do here now is to tap on this to have this copied to your clipboard. You can see copied. Now you go to your Binance, your Trust wallet, your Huobi, any crypto wallets or any crypto wallets that you use to send your crypto assets. You go that place and paste this address that you just copied from this place and fund your account. Is that simple? Is that simple? So once you do that now guys, your money is gonna reflect in this place. So I actually created this very account for the purpose of this video. So your money is gonna reflect here. Okay, your money is gonna reflect here. So here is for your daily earnings, so your balance will reflect here. And once you've done that, the next thing you want to do here is to do the needful and start making money. So there are various strategies in this platform. This is MACD strategy, 17.20%, 7-day return of 7-day rate of return of 17.22%. This is CCI strategy, 18.28%. This is KD factor timing strategy, 16.67% within 7 days. And if you want to see more strategies, you can click on more right here, and it's gonna take you to the next page where you see more strategies. And this is VXN strategy, 2 hours running. Okay, so this is MACD. This is okay. So guys, let me go back to the page where I was before, and let's say for example you want to use the CCI strategy. You just tap on it guys, and what you just do here is right here that it says please enter an amount of at least 10. So just tap on all. You can see all. Tap on all and tap on start, and it starts running for you. and every within the required time frame for you to come back to this page, you come back again and tap on it again. Okay, so this is how it works. Like every 24 hours you come back and tap on that, repeat the same process again, and tap on all, tap on start. Just repeat the same process, guys. So what you're earning daily from this is like 2.4 to 2.7 daily income for 7 days. So every single day you just come here and tap on this, tap on all, and have it all reflect here, and now tap on start. So it's that simple, guys. So it's that simple. So now, guys, when you refer your friends in this platform, you also make money by referring your friends to join this platform, guys. So tap on this, guys, tap on the invite. Now if you look at this, there are 5 levels of invitations here, five team levels here. So you can see the level 1 direct invited users 10%, level 2 users invited by level 1 8%. This is the percent that is for the level 1 you're earning 10% of their deposit amount. If they deposit $100, you're earning $10. If they deposit $1,000, you're earning $100. That is 10%. So the level 2 is 8%, level 3 is 5%, level 4 is 2%, level 5 is also 2%. So for every profit your friend earns after signing up, you will receive a professional commission. You will receive a proportional commission. For every profit your friend earns after signing up, you will receive a proportional commission. So to copy your invite link, this is the invitation code. So this is the invitation code link. So to invite your friends, you have to tap on this and have it copied to your clipboard. You now go to social softwares, your WhatsApp groups, your Instagrams, your Telegrams, your any social software that you make use of, your Twitter, any social platform that you make use of to interact with people, and you go there and paste this link and invite your friends, your online friends, and for them to register. So that being said, guys, when you make money from this site, you need to also cash out. You need to withdraw your money from the site. You need to withdraw money from this site. Okay, so what to do right here now, guys, is to go ahead and click on withdraw. But then before you withdraw, you need to bind your wallet address right here by tapping on wallet address. You need to go to your crypto wallet, the very wallet you want to use to receive your funds from this site. So you go to that wallet, your Binance or your Trust wallet, and copy your USDT TRC20 wallet address. Please enter your TRC20 wallet address. Just come here and paste that very address right here, your USDT TRC20 wallet address. Now please use the mobile phone number when registering to receive the verification code and go okay. So once you do this, guys, you now go ahead and click on submit. Okay, click on submit. So if they require the verification code to your mobile to be sent to your mobile number, you tap on this to enter the verification code right here when you receive it. So tap on this and submit it. Okay, so it's that simple, guys. And please do note that minimum withdrawal from this site is also $10. Minimum deposit $10, minimum withdraw $10. To join their Telegram group, you tap on this place to join their Telegram group. All right, guys, if you have any comments or questions about this platform, you can drop your comments down there in the comment section of this video. All right, do note I'm not a financial advisor and I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions in this website. Do your own research. The link to sign up to this site is in the description box of this video. Click on that link. It will take you to a link tree, a page. On that very page, tap on the very first link in that very page to sign up. Guys, like this video. If you love the things I do in this channel, please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you are still contemplating to subscribe. I'd love to see you guys in the next video. Peace out.